ready to turn that pile of inventory into a stream of sales. Let's jump into a quick guide on how to create a killer Amazon FBA listing from scratch. First, head over to your Amazon Seller Central account and hover over the Inventory tab, then click Add a Product. If you're listing a brand new product not already in Amazon's catalog, select I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. Now, pick the most relevant category for your product. Accuracy is key here to help customers find you. Fill out the Vital Info tab. Include a compelling product name with relevant keywords at your brand name and product ID. Make sure all required fields are filled in. If your product has variations like size or color, click on the Variations tab to add them. This helps customers find exactly what they are looking for. In the Offer tab, set your competitive price, choose the product condition, and most importantly, select Amazon will ship and provide customer service FBA. Upload high-quality images on the Images tab. Use multiple angles and show your product in use. Great images are crucial for attracting buyers. Craft a detailed and engaging product description. In the Description tab, highlight the key features and benefits of your product. Use bullet points for easy readability. Optimize your listing with relevant keywords. In the Keywords tab, think about what customers would search for to find your product. Review your listing carefully, then click Save and Finish. Congratulations, your product is on its way to becoming a bestseller. Remember to monitor your sales and reviews for ongoing optimization.